have you heard about these giant wood crushing machines? In addition to providing raw materials for other industries, they also play an important role in the development of the US economy. Please join me to see the working mechanism of these advanced machines. Start the video in the wood processing of the Rotochopper V66L. This machine plays an important role in converting food waste into valuable resources such as mulch, biomass fuel, and animal bedding. An impressive processing capacity of up to 1,000 cubic yards of material per hour, it ensures efficient and precise grinding, making it an essential asset in woodworking forestry operations. The B66L2 is rated at 1,200 horsepower. It is the epitome of raw power and efficiency in wood recycling. It can cubic meters of material per hour. The South Shore Carlton 7015 TRX is a formidable tree feller. With a powerful motor and hydraulic system, it can handle large trees with ease, handling logs up to 15 inches in diameter. With the ability to handle logs up to 15 inches in diameter, the Carlton 715 TRX plays a vital role in land clearing projects. The Vermeer HG6000 Level 4 horizontal grinder is a powerful machine in the field of wood waste treatment. It delivers outstanding performance with a 750 horsepower motor, effectively converting wood waste into valuable resources. Combining the power of the Biber 85 chipper with the precision of the Eshelboic chipping system, it is a force to be reckoned with, especially in the field of woodworking. Its versatility allows for efficient chopping of different types of wood. Blue Diamond heavy-duty lawnmowers are machines known for their powerful cutting ability. It helps to clear overgrown bushes and debris effectively and quickly. The heavy-duty CID brush cutter with a 60-inch cutting deck has a wide cutting range. It quickly tackles dense vegetation, tall grass, and bushes, making it ideal for large-scale clearing projects. With high-speed rotating discs, the Angry Chipmunk disc chipper easily turns large logs and branches into wood chips. with tons of material per hour. The LDM 50 brush mulcher is capable of clearing dense foliage quickly and with impressive efficiency. This machine crushes palm trees in just 2 minutes with high precision and speed. The Komatsu PC300 is a formidable tool for effectively turning dense oil palms into smooth mulch. With its powerful chopping ability, the Gen's truck-mounted wood chipper can effectively process large quantities of wood materials directly on site, reducing transportation costs and increasing operational efficiency, saving work time. The Kessler C1060 shredder is a compact truck-mounted machine designed to efficiently process woody material into chips. With sturdy construction and high-performance components, it will handle a variety of wood sizes and densities. After grinding, these small pieces of wood will be transported to processing factories to create diverse industrial wood products, promoting the development of the American wood industry. The Ponce Voibrooks 806 is a formidable combination of power and precision in the forestry industry. With an incredible cutting capacity of up to 45 cubic meters of wood per hour, it easily handles even the toughest woods. The CBI 6800 BT is a beastly machine. It easily swallows a giant palm tree in southern Florida, making an important contribution to today's agricultural industry. The BS-BC tree stump grinder has a powerful motor and precise grinding mechanism. It can handle even the most The Sawmill Monster 5080 is a game changer in the lumber industry, capable of processing large logs with great precision and speed. The tiger cat mulch's sharp teeth can easily crush dense forests. With an incredible coverage capacity of up to 12 inches in diameter, it can treat The Weimer machine is a giant in the world of industrial shredding. With an outstanding capacity of up to 20 tons per hour, it easily destroys all types of materials, turning bulky items into manageable pieces. After removal, the pine tree tops will be crushed and put into agriculture to balance the pH level in the soil, helping trees to regrow quickly. With its sturdy design and powerful coverage capabilities, the large tree sliding drum mulcher can easily handle trees up to 24 inches in diameter, quickly handling even the toughest vegetation. The process of processing ancient tree trunks with a wood chipper is a fascinating combination of power and precision, turning giant trees into manageable wood chips or wood mulch, ready for reuse. Accessory on the JD1510E mobile chipper is a technological marvel in the forestry industry. With an impressive shredding capacity of up to 40 cubic meters per hour, it efficiently turns wood into high-quality wood chips. The Ergo 993 RCA is an innovative accessory renowned for its outstanding performance in the forestry industry. This machine converts wood into valuable wood chips in an efficient manner that maximizes resource usage. Do these exciting moments satisfy you? Please leave a comment to let us know which device you like the best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.